This is problem number 25 of the 2012 AP Calculus exam. Which of the following is the solution to the differential equation, the derivative of y with respect to x is equal to 2 times the sine of x, with the initial condition y of pi is equal to 1? Let's go ahead and begin. We have dy dx, the derivative of y with respect to x, is equal to 2 times the sine of x. And we need a separation of variables. So let's rewrite this as dy is equal to 2 times the sine of x dx. Now let's take the integral of both sides. And think of this as being a 1 that's in front. So we'll get a y plus a constant, c1. It's an indefinite integral. And on the right-hand side, we'll have 2, and the integral of the sine of x is a negative cosine, so we'll put a negative and a cosine of x plus a constant, since it too is an indefinite integral, and we'll put c2. And we will rewrite this with one constant, so y is equal to negative 2 times the cosine of x plus c, where c is equal to c sub 2 minus c sub 1. Now, if you look at your answer choices, you don't see anything like that, and that's because we have an initial condition. We were given that y of pi is equal to 1. And so that means the x is pi and the y is 1, and we're going to substitute those values in and solve for c. So we have 1 equals negative 2 times the cosine of pi plus c. And so I need to look at the unit circle, since this is a non-calculator section, and find out what is the cosine of pi. Well, pi is over here on this side, and that has a coordinate of negative 1, 0, and the cosine is that first term, which is negative 1. So 1 is equal to negative 2 times negative 1 plus c, or 1 is equal to 2 plus c, and c, therefore, is negative 1. So we can rewrite our equation now by substituting in the negative 1 for our c, and then we'll have our answer. Let's look at that. We'll have y is equal to negative 2 times the cosine of x minus 1. And let's see which answer that is. Again, negative 2 cosine of x minus 1. That's letter E. Letter E.